Hi, Kritika here. Yes. Hi guys. I just wanted to list few of the rules. Just first I just wanted to tell you all like who don't want to lead a happy life, guys. Everyone want to live a healthy and happy life, right? I just wanted to list few of the rules what you have to follow to lead a healthy and happy life, guys. Okay. So let us get into the presentation and let us see like what are the rules. Okay, first, before getting into the rules, I just wanted to explain you like what does a lifestyle generally mean. Okay, what is a lifestyle, guys? It's not the thing what you look from outside. It is the style of living, we can say, that is termed to be the lifestyle over here. So it includes like style, attitudes and possessions, guys. Here there are two kind of lifestyles, I can say. One is the lifestyle which you choose, the other one is the lifestyle will choose you. Different lifestyle will choose you, that will be another kind of the lifestyle. Okay, so different categories what we have in lifestyle are, see, few people are like they are very passionate about their food, few people are like they are very passionate about their health, few are like they are very passionate about the fashion field. They'll be they People will be having different hobbies that will become their lifestyle. So a few people will be like they are very much interested in traveling, that will be their kind of lifestyle. A few people are interested with the finance related things, that's their lifestyle. So see, like this, so many we can list. Few of them I have listed over here. So what do you mean by unhealthy lifestyle? Can anyone guess? See, so many are there. I have listed a few, guys. Peoples will be in this corona pandemic, peoples are leading the sedentary lifestyle, guys. Means they are stick on at their home, means they are not moving around. They are leading a sedentary kind of lifestyle. That is an unhealthy lifestyle. Unhealthy diet habits, like they will be having how whatever they want. They are not mindful in eating. They are not at all doing their physical exercise. They are very much addicted to this smoking and alcohol consumption. These are few of the unhealthy lifestyle I have listed. There are n number of unhealthy lifestyle, guys. Just to give you a brief introduction, I have listed few. Okay, so what are the rules for a healthy and a happy life? So these are few of the rules. Okay, the first thing is you have to stay active, guys. At least you have to do exercise for about half an hour or 45 minutes in a day. Be mindful, guys. Mindful in the sense, whatever you are doing, be mindful. Means you have to take it slowly, so that you'll get to know what you are doing. Okay, smile means always try to be happy as much as possible. Try to sort out things soon, so that your mood will not get corrupt. Okay, so you have to maintain your ideal body parameters, like you have to have the ideal fat percentage, muscle mass, ideal weight, I can say. Everything should be ideal. That will lead to a healthy and happy life, I can say. And one next thing is like you have to fill your stomach by 80%, guys. I am not telling you like you have to starve for another 20%. See, the 80% rule is there, no, that really helps to take care of our health. Okay, because we do have a connection between our intestine and mind. Okay, we have an axis between our brain and gut, guys. Okay, you'll get to know in my upcoming presentations about that. So that will be helpful to keep you healthy. 80% rule surely will help you. Okay, so avoid negative surroundings, guys. Like the people always who used to drag your leg, pull your leg by saying negative things, always negative kind of stuffs they are doing, just stay away from them. Surround yourself with positive surroundings. Okay, positive friends, positive things, positive thoughts will be helpful to lead a happy life, I can say. Be in the present moment, guys. See, what has happened before, just leave it off. What will happen in the present, we don't have control about that. So just be in the present and just enjoy the moment. Stay happy and healthy always, that's it, I can say. And develop gratitude thing. Gratitude means just say thank you for everything. See, you have water to drink, for example, I'm saying you have water to drink. if you don't have water, what's the condition of you? You see, it will be very difficult for us to lead our life with air, without this air, water and food, shelter, or etc, so many things. Okay, so be grateful to the nature, like it's giving you so many things, you know. So being gratitude means being thankful to all the things is very important. That is termed to be the gratitude over here. Okay, respect the nature, guys, because it's giving you fresh air, you know. Just preserve it, just give respect to the nature. Always try to preserve the nature, guys. So follow your ikigai, guys. In the next slide you'll get to know what is this ikigai. Okay, these are few of the rules to lead a healthy and happy life, I can say. Okay, next, ikigai. What is this ikigai? You know, it is a Japanese secret. It is a book, you know. It is a Japanese secret for healthy and happy life, guys. Okay, it mainly deals with what's the reason for being here. Okay, so it's the formula for happiness, guys. It explains you clearly about the purpose of life, actually. Okay, it explains you like what's the feeling of accomplishment and fulfillment the people is having with their passion, that will be known by this ikigai. Okay, I recommend, highly recommend each and everyone to go through this ikigai. You can find it in Flipkart, Amazon, and all. So that if you go through this book, it is an amazing book, guys. It is, you just have to go through this. As if you ask me, it is a good suggestion, I can say. There are two aspects here, you know. The sources that brings value to your life, you know. We have got n number of sources, guys. We have got n number of sources. So that's here, that is one single aspect. So feeling that one's life has value because of existence of the source. What the source we have in our life, when we get the feeling like yes, the existence of this source is because of me and them, that's great thing, you know. So this is ikigai, guys. Ikigai, as I told you, like it is a reason for being. See, here we can find four things: that what you love is one thing, what the world needs is the another thing, what you can be paid for is the third one, the fourth one is what you are good at. Okay, these are the four main things you have to first think of. See, what you love and what the world needs, if those two are, you know, if you are thinking of those two, and that is your thing, what you have to do means that will become your mission. Okay, what you love and what you are good at, if those two combines, that will be your passion. Okay, what you are good at and what you are, what can be what you can paid for is, it will become your profession. Okay, what you can be paid for and what the world needs, it will become a vocation, I can say, guys. Okay, this is a ikigai, this is a brief instruction what I am giving you, but you people have to go through that book, guys. That is ikigai, the Japanese secret for you know, the reason for being. You just have to go through that book. It's an awesome book. I recommend everyone to go through that book, guys. So you'll get a clear picture about what it is. This is the book, how it looks like, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. I suggest everyone to go through this book, guys. It's really an awesome book, I can say. So thank you so much for patiently listening to my presentation, guys. Stay tuned for my next presentation. Please do like my video and subscribe to my channel so that you will be the first person to receive my updated video, I can say. Thank you so much, guys.